the main point of this video is we have a constructor here. This constructor is inherited by dog and by the cat. But the question is, can I change the constructor in the dog class and the cat class? So it means I would like to use this constructor in a dog and a cat, but I would like to put there something more. For example, for the dog it will be breed, and for the cat it will be, for example, color. So can I put it to the constructor, to this constructor? Yes, I can. So how we can do that? So here I would like to say, please create a special constructor underscore underscore, and this constructor, again self, it has to be here, will have a name and a breed. Okay, and now I would like to say, okay, I will not configure the name here. Why? Because the dog already inherit this constructor and it takes care about the name. Okay, so I don't have to repeat it here, this line, like self.name is equal to name. I don't have to. So it means here I will call a parent constructor. So it means I can say, hey, please use this constructor, it's absolutely okay, and take care this, or let this constructor take care about the name. Okay, so you can use a special method, it's called supper, and it's please call underscore underscore init from the previous class, from the parent class, from the animal class, and let's take care about name. Okay, so the name is under the watch of this constructor. Okay, and I can put here something new, something special for the constructor of the dog. So it will be breed is equal, sorry, I will call it self.breed is equal to breed. Okay, so now the dog constructor has the name from this part and the breed from this part. Okay, and here we call the parent constructor, here we called this constructor. So it means to this constructor we put there something new, and it's called breed in our case. So it means that now if I will create a dog, there has to be two parts. Body, it's the name, and for example beagle, it's the breed. Okay, and then that's it. So, and you can put here something more, self dot something something something, okay, if you want. And we can use the breed here in the bark. For example, it will be like this, self dot breed, self dot breed. So it means beagle, the body so sorry, maybe I will change it, body, the beagle is barking. It makes sense, correct? So perfect, we done it. So now if I will call it this bark, so it means I will run it, body, the beagle is barking. Okay, so maybe it can be with small b, right? Because it's breed. Great. So body, the beagle is barking. And now if you want, you can do it with the cat as well. So I would say, okay, I'm glad that the cat inherited the constructor from the animal. I am glad, but I would like to put there something special, for example, color of the cat. So it means, again, we can create def underscore underscore init. So we will create the special constructor. It will be say self, and again I would like to say, okay, here will be name and color, but you know, the color will be special for the cat. So we will use this normal normal code for the constructor, but the name will be from the previous constructor here. So it means, again, I would like to say by the super method, please use the constructor or settings of the constructor from the animal. So super underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and from the previous constructor please use name. Okay, and it will set the name, and it's absolutely okay. So now we can change it here, so it will be Misty the, oh so sorry, it's a color, right? So I will put here self dot color. It's like, for example, white cat, Misty is meowing. Yeah, perfect, it makes sense. So here, if I create the cat or the object or instance according the cat class, so it means here is the name, but I said that in this constructor there will be a name and there will be a color. So I will put here white, for example. So if I will call this method, it will print white cat Misty is meowing. I will run it. White cat Misty is meowing. Great. So I hope now, guys, that now you understand how to work with constructors if you use an inheritance principle.